Good morning, everybody. Time is 8:12, and we're talking about a brand new City TV primetime show airing tonight at 10 p.m. It's called Bluff City Law.
It's premiere week. It's exciting. We've got some returning favorites, including Jimmy Smits. Now, this is a new show, but he's such a, stalwart television star. He's been on TV from LA Law to NYPD Blue to, West Wing. So many great shows, and this is another one, Bluff City Law. It's set in the world of law again. He stars as the dad, his daughter, played by Caitlin McGee. I caught up with him and asked about, this legal genre and why it's still so popular on television.
With a little family dynamics.
Little family spice.
The people of Bluff City helped change the world and inspired me to become a lawyer.
What is it about the legal genre of TV shows that makes it just so timeless and possible?
It's about hope. I mean, that's the bottom line. It's about seeing right versus wrong, seeing the little guy get his day in court. Everyone wants to watch that. Everyone feels like there's some hope in the world when they see people winning that should.
In its purest sense, the legal system is a reflection of society, right? And on so many levels. And what our society can and should aspire to.
When you stand up for what's right, you never stand alone.
He has not aged in 35 years.
Not a day. Last night he presented an award at the Emmy Awards with Bradley Whitford, who's starring in another new show on Citytv called Perfect Harmony. It was nice to see them together after their time together on West Wing. But I asked Jimmy about, as I said, he's been on TV for a long time, and why this role? What makes this role in Bluff City Law different? Here's what he had to say about that.
Corner office you have waiting for you at Mirror Farm. Does it have a nice view?
Objection, Your Honor.
Withdraw. Nothing further.
You're no stranger to this genre. Some people will remember of a certain vintage. My vintage, so I'm happy. Was it like putting on, comfortable clothes to play this character, or is he so different?
He's different. That's the job of the actor to find out where your character lives and breathes. What's his emotional trajectory? What's his character rhythm? They're vastly different from the other guys that I've played.
We're total opposites. You're conservative. I wage war.
Our differences could be our strength.
So it's not just about the law, though. It is about that father-daughter dynamic. And I'm not giving anything away. I'm lucky I get to see these in advance of the premiere. So I do know the first season, the first episode, which airs tonight at 10 o'clock, ends with a massive cliffhanger.
Which is amazing.
Dun-dun cliffhanger.
Okay.
So here's what Caitlin and Jimmy had to say about what we can expect throughout the season.
Without giving anything away.
No spoilers.
Do you have any relevant questions? Just one, Your Honor. How much is the Mirror Farm paying you?
She is a firecracker, to say the least. What's that like for you to read that on a script, knowing the energy, knowing the, how you're going to have to come to set every day and reach that level?
I mean, that's why I'm doing it, because that's so fun. I mean, she taps into a part of myself that I wish I could tap into more, which is, when someone says something to you and you want to come up with that perfect comeback and yell it in their face and then stomp away all proud. She gets to do that. I would just be like, bleh, and she somehow manages to say it and perfectly and leave the person stunned.
How do you do it, Dad? How do you handle the pressure when winning or losing means everything?
It's a legal drama, but it's a family drama. So as soon as you meet these people, you're going to fall in love with them, and you're going to want to see them every single week. You're going to want to watch the little guy win.
Yes to that. 10 p.m. tonight, Bluff City Law premieres.
Yep, they were fun to talk to. I'm looking forward to the whole season of that show, and I'm looking forward to a little bit on BT.
Oh, what do you mean?
We have a world premiere of something, an exclusive premiere of something.
That we can't let go. We've said too much. Thanks, Tara.
Also be right back.
We're going to throw things right now upstairs to Melanie Ng in the newsroom.